Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and click on it. Then select Browse in the middle at the bottom. After that, you need to scroll down over here, click on Source, select Downloads Received Files, and tap on Download Manager. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!